So in this video, we'll see some important example of IAS officer. First of all, Karnataka cadre के हैं IAS officer D.K. Ravi. So he's D.K. Ravi. So he launched an official crackdown against the encroachment of government land and rampant illegal mining. And he also involved in tax raid of major tax evading real estate firms. He was found dead in Bangalore in 2015 under suspicious circumstances. So it was a 2009. He was from the 2009 batch. He exposed the illegal sand mining projects, and he exposed the tax evading defaulters, and he was involved in high profile business group raids. He was found dead in his residence in 2015. Ashom Khemka, 1991 batch IAS officer. He received 54 transfer in 24 years. So he is best known for cancelling the mutation of Sonia Gandhi's son-in-law Robert Wada illegal land deal in Gurgaon. He has been transferred 53 times in 28 years after he exposed corruption in the department where he was posted in. 2004 batch IAS officer Armstrong Palme. So Armstrong Palme, he built a road connecting Manipur, Nagaland and Assam, 100 km long. It's known as People's Road, and he is also known as Miracle Man. Armstrong Palme, 2008 batch IAS officer. So he is a miracle man. He is earned a sobriquet Miracle Man for building 100 km road famously known as People's Road connecting Manipur to Nagaland and Assam. So in 2012 he raised rupees 40 lakhs for the purpose through Facebook page. So Maharashtra cadre के IAS officer है, that is तुकाराम मुंडे, 2005 बैच के IAS officer. इन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था वॉक विद द कमिश्नर प्रोग्राम. He was a commissioner of Mumbai NMMC, that is in the Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation. So he is one of the most honest upright officer in India, Tukaram Munde. So Kerala के cadre के IAS officer Raju Narayan Swamy. And the Raja Narayan Swamy, he is known as anti-corruption crusader. तो उन्होंने जो केरला के मिनिस्टर थे टी.यू. कुरुविला, इनके खिलाफ जांच बचाई तो उनको रिजाइन करना पड़ता है मिनिस्टर को, टी.यू. कुरुविला को. So बोलते in my service life I have always fought corruption. We would be sidelined, but officers should not get demoralized. The public applause we get for taking a strong stand on the issue is what keep us going. So Yashwant Sonavane, he was an additional district collector of Malegaon, Maharashtra. He was burnt alive by oil adulteration mafia near Nasik, Manmad near Nasik. So U Sagayam, तो his office door, उसने office door में लिखा है sign reading rejects bribes, hold your head high. Reject bribes, hold your head high. He was appointed to oversee the state election in his district. He see the law against the vote buying played in the role of change of and he played a role of the change of the state government. So he exposed the illegal granite mining in Madurai district area, which exposed many of the influential political families of Madurai. So he was transferred 26 times in 29 years of his career. The Rashmi V. Mahesh record being transferred 23 times in the 19 year of her service. So 1996 batch IAS officer in Karnataka cadre. So Rashmi Mahesh 2008, in 2014 she has taken administrative training in Mysore. So इन्होंने जांच बिठाई थी अगेंस्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैसूर. यहाँ पे 100 करोड़ का घोटाला पाया इन्होंने. रश्मि बी महेश से एक्सपोज जो भी धंधा होता है मेडिकल कॉलेज सीट्स को लेके उसे एक्सपोज किया था. सो ही इज़ एन O.P. चौधरी. सो ही वॉज अ कलेक्टर ऑफ दांतेवाड़ा डिस्ट्रिक्ट. So was a collector of Dantewada. He's a Maoist hotbed in the tribal Bastar district of Chhattisgarh, and he transformed the district forever. So facing the stark reality, understanding the threat it posed to the future generation, O.P. Chaudhary took it upon himself to do that would transform the district forever. So after taking the charge of the Dantewada administration, he realized that district did not have enough doctors, engineers, and even science teachers in the school. So he bring the district-wide science-based intermediate level education under one roof at the Dantewada Education City to improve the prospect of Dantewada 400 science students. To do this, he hand-picked the best teachers, renovated and painted an existing campuses, and named J.C. Bose, C.V. Raman House, Kalpana House, APJ Abdul Kalam House after prominent Indian scientists and mathematicians. So his education initiative Chulo Apsman, as this project was named, the student from different parts of Dantewada were brought to the district headquarters and given post of classroom special tutorials for entrance examination by teachers from reputed private institutions from Kota, the mecca of coaching classes. So the global audit measure KPMG had selected Dantewada Education City as one of the most 100 innovative urban infrastructure projects in the world. The KPMG global audit firm, they had selected Dantewada Education City as one of the 100 most innovative urban infrastructure project in the world.